Welcome to another edition of Arizona Living. Today, by special request, we're gonna check out Menchie's. Stay tuned. So today, we are in Menchie's in Gilbert. Maya Hernandez, her sister Becca, and her mom Jennifer wanted us to film what a Menchie's looks like. So here you go, guys. Menchie's is a franchise nationwide, and it's a lot like Yogurtland, but they cater more towards children. You get a whole bunch of sample cups over there. You try whatever ones you want, and at the end, you can put all these toppings. And they even sell ice cream cakes, like old school Carvel. So here are the toppings. You have all sorts of syrups. I came early, that way we could avoid the rush. This is Arizona. This place gets very crowded. Here are the different flavors.
This is a stone taste. Good?
Pick it up, warm it up.
It is, yeah. Only been open here now. Wow. Seems like it's been a while.
Yeah, there you go.
Look, they got a chalkboard right there. Sometimes they even have balloons for the kids. There you go. You got crayons.
It's very creamy.
So here it begins. We grab one of these cups. Rory, you made a mess of your face already. It's not advisable to try this one-handed, but I'm going to give it a shot. Ooh, I got skills. This was coconut crunch. Hey, what did she just ask for?
What do you want? What are these, Aurora?
You want chocolate balls? You mean these Whopper things?
Chocolate balls.
Chocolate balls, okay. That's gonna get this video demonetized.
Don't put me in this video. I better not be in there.
You want what?
No, you're done.
No, you've got too
You're
much
cut off.
going on already.
Do not put
No.
your hands in that.
You're
Back
done.
off.
You're done. They weigh what you bought and you pay for it. And you got these really cool spoon-looking things. Now, my wife doesn't like to be on camera, but what did you put in this one?
Peach and tart.
Peach and tart and some wafers. I put the coconut, chocolate, vanilla, and a little bit of blueberries. And what'd you put? Or as a better question, what didn't you put? Thumbs up or thumbs down? Let me see it. Here are some of the artwork the kiddos did while we're here. And check out some of these cakes they offer. They would have like a whole book of selections. Look at that. The Arizona Diamondbacks. Oh, that's cool. Look at that. Ooh. No, I can't have any. Are you sure? No. Come on, let me have some. So this concludes another edition of Arizona Living. Be sure to like, subscribe, and let us know below where you'd like to see us go next. Till next time.